Lithium-ion batteries currently reign as the primary power source for electronic devices such as phones, tablets, laptops, and electric vehicles. However, a potential rival has emerged: the sodium-ion battery. But are these new sodium-ion batteries truly viable replacements for lithium-ion batteries, and what are the advantages and drawbacks of each? Stay tuned to discover more. Welcome to Tesla Global. Sodium-ion batteries have transitioned from laboratory prototypes to actual production models powering electric vehicles in China. While these early sodium-ion battery EVs may have limited range and production volume, industry giants like BYD and KTL are actively embracing this technology. Furthermore, advancements in sodium-ion battery technology are expected to boost their energy density in the years ahead, potentially enhancing the range of sodium-ion-powered electric vehicles. Now, before delving into a comparison between lithium-ion and sodium-ion battery technology, it's crucial to understand the motivations behind the development of sodium-ion batteries. Why explore sodium-ion batteries when lithium-ion batteries are already performing well? One of the primary drivers for the development of sodium-ion batteries stems from the abundance and lower cost of sodium compared to lithium. This becomes particularly significant as the demand for battery-grade lithium rises, with projections suggesting a potential deficit in lithium supply by as early as 2025. Introducing another battery chemistry that doesn't rely on lithium offers substantial benefits, especially considering future scenarios. Check out the Tesla Global newsletter for updates on Tesla and EV's link in the video description. In terms of cost, reports suggest promising figures for sodium-ion batteries. An Energy Post article indicates that future costs could plummet to approximately $40 per kilowatt-hour, while KTL's initial sodium-ion battery cells were priced around $77 per kilowatt-hour. However, projections suggest that future costs could dip below $40 per kilowatt-hour. Given these factors, it's evident why companies are investing in the development of sodium-ion batteries. But with that being said, what are some of the differences between lithium-ion batteries versus sodium-ion batteries, and can sodium-ion batteries really fully replace lithium-ion batteries in the future? Both battery types internally feature an anode, a cathode, a separator, and an electrolyte. And on a surface level, lithium-ion and sodium-ion batteries function in a very similar way. Now, before delving into the energy density comparison between sodium-ion and lithium-ion batteries, let's explore more advantages of sodium-ion batteries. It's important to note that when comparing sodium-ion batteries to lithium-ion batteries, it's best to contrast sodium-ion batteries with lithium iron phosphate, LFP chemistry. LFP battery technology represents the lower-cost, lower-energy density version of lithium-ion batteries, while sodium-ion batteries fall into a similar category in terms of cost and energy density. In addition to their cold weather performance, sodium-ion batteries offer a safety advantage over lithium-ion batteries. Sodium, as an element, is considered less reactive than lithium, contributing to the overall safety profile of sodium-ion batteries. Sodium-ion batteries also show potential for faster charging compared to lithium-ion batteries, as claimed by KTL, with their batteries able to reach 80% charge in just 15 minutes. This represents an improvement over Tesla's EVs, which typically require around 30 minutes for a similar charge. Even with an 800-volt system like that of the Hyundai Ioniq 5, the charge time takes approximately 18 minutes to go from a 10% to 80% state of charge. The main reason for the lower energy density of sodium-ion batteries lies in the size and weight of the ions themselves. Lithium ions are smaller and lighter than sodium ions, allowing them to be densely packed within the battery's electrode materials. This enables higher energy storage capacity per unit of volume or weight. Additionally, lithium has a lower electrochemical potential compared to sodium, meaning that it tends to release more energy per electron during reactions compared to sodium. Having established the importance of gravimetric energy density numbers in comparing lithium-ion batteries to sodium-ion batteries, it's crucial to note that while volumetric energy density numbers would provide a more comprehensive understanding, they are not available for sodium-ion battery technology at this time. Therefore, our comparison will focus on gravimetric energy density as a basis for evaluation. Looking at the fourth row of the chart, the cell-level energy density of KTL's LFP prismatic batteries, utilized in the rear-wheel drive Model 3, is estimated to be approximately 190 watt-hours per kilogram. Contrasted with KTL's sodium-ion battery technology, as indicated in a press release, their batteries boast an energy density of up to 60 watt-hours per kilogram. In addition, using data from CN Post, you can see that I've also listed here the energy densities of two other sodium-ion battery technologies that are being used in Chinese-made EVs, and those energy densities range from around 140 watt-hours per kilogram to around 160 watt-hours per kilogram. So, 160 watt-hours per kilogram is about 15.8% less than 190 watt-hours per kilogram on the gravimetric side. However, once again, volumetric may be more important. For example, Fierx Energy is providing sodium-ion batteries for a Chinese-made EV, and that Chinese-made EV has a battery pack capacity of 21.4 kilowatt-hours. I don't know if that's exactly the case, but it does show the scale here that volumetric energy density can play a bigger role than gravimetric energy density when it comes to how many battery cells you can fit into a battery pack. That seems obvious because, once again, gravimetric has to do with weight and volumetric has to do with volume. That doesn't necessarily mean that KTL's battery pack technology will have such a drastic difference as well, because KTL has a cell-to-pack technology for their battery packs, and they have figured out how to very efficiently pack battery cells in a battery pack. So with all that being said, since the volumetric energy number is a wild card, I want to use the Model 3 as an example, the rear-wheel drive Model 3, going with the gravimetric energy density estimates that we have. I believe that a rear-wheel drive Model 3 equipped with first-generation sodium-ion battery cells from KTL could potentially be somewhere around 200 miles of range or slightly more than that. So, even if the cost of these sodium-ion batteries at scale is less than even lithium iron phosphate batteries because of that lower range, I don't expect that the Model 3 will get these sodium-ion batteries at any point in the near future. Looking ahead, there is significant potential for improvement in sodium-ion batteries, especially considering that we are currently in the first generation of this battery technology. If KTL's second generation of sodium-ion battery cells achieves a substantial increase in volumetric energy density, akin to the observed gravimetric energy density increase, it could pave the way for a sodium-ion-powered Tesla Model 3 to offer comparable range to the LFP-equipped version currently available, but at a slightly lower cost in terms of the battery pack cost. Considering the current state of affairs, assuming that LFP battery energy density does not see significant improvement in the future, which is a possibility although it may improve, sodium-ion batteries in the future could potentially offer higher energy density than LFP batteries. However, at present, these batteries are solely utilized in small vehicles manufactured in China. It is unlikely that we will witness their integration into a Model 3 for several years. While it may eventually occur, it's improbable before the emergence of the second generation of battery technology. I concur with Jordan from The Limiting Factor, who suggests that Tesla's next-generation compact vehicle will probably not incorporate sodium-ion batteries, but will instead rely on the more mature lithium iron phosphate battery technology. Looking beyond their application in electric vehicles, sodium-ion batteries hold promise for extensive use in stationary energy storage environments. I invite you to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Thank you for tuning in to Tesla Global, and I look forward to engaging with you in the next video.